Thanks again for tuning in to this, the third vlog in our series on our vision for the Refuel Festival.
3 questions were posed in our last vlog, so stay with us and we will give you our responses.
So this is the fun bit. Yeah, we get to explore some rather large questions about what Refuel is all about to help you understand it more and to perhaps help you be able to endorse it to your friends. So question 1 was, what will Refuel 19 look like? Well, building on years 1 and 2, we want it to be a representation of the entire body of Christ. What does that look like? Well, we've got delegates asking for more exhortation and teaching. We can do that. We're doing that in 2019. Delegates asking for more creative seminars and streams. Yes, definitely. We've got delegates asking for more seminars and teaching on the gifts of the Spirit and prayer ministry. We've got a transformation centre where the prophetic will be explored and celebrated and taught. And we've got evangelists asking for more opportunities to evangelise. We've got opportunities at Refuel 19 for people to bring a friend who's not a believer. So, you know, in summary, we want to be all things to all the churches, and we've been told it can't be done, but we do want to try.
Yeah, and I think for me, it's all about the family of believers, and that was one of the major testimonies that came out of the last couple of years, was just the way people felt so connected to one another and just experienced the love of being together.
Yeah, and that unity commands a blessing. And I think that's where our second question will come into. What are the outcomes of gathering this way? It's not just about gathering, although however fun it might be. So we do want to reach the entire church. We do want to represent the entire church. We trust you'll find merit in that, but it doesn't stop there. And question 2 explores what those outcomes of that unity and that diversity will be.